Hi, in this video we are going to explain how to rationalize. Here we are working with the example the square root of 3 plus 2 over the square root of 2 plus the square root of 3. To simplify completely a fraction, there mustn't be any square roots in the denominator. So what we have to do is multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate binomial, not the exact same binomial because that is not the case, but the conjugate binomial. So in this case, it will be this one. So it would be multiplying by the square root of 2 minus, because it's the opposite sign, the square root of 3. And this also goes in the denominator. Then we have to multiply as usual. So in the numerator, we have binomial by binomial. So we have to do the same procedure as we always do. So it is the square root of 3 plus the square root, by the square root of 2. So it would be the square root of 6. Then it's the same procedure, this by this. So then it has to be this by this. So it's minus because of the sign and the square root of 9. Then is this by this. So it is plus 2 times the square root of 2. And finally, it would be minus 2 times the square root of 3. Then here we have the conjugate binomial case. So it would be this by this. So since it's the square root of 2 plus by the square root of 2, it would get canceled and it would be just a 2. And then we have to have the minus sign, and it also gets canceled because of the square roots, so it is 3 again. This could also be simplified, so let's simplify it. This is the square root of 6. This could be simplified as 3 because the square root of 9 obviously is 3, so this would be minus 3. This could not get any simplified further, so it would stay the same. And this is over minus 1. We could also simplify this by turning it into just one polynomial. We could do it by affecting all this with the minus sign. So if we do it, it would be minus the square root of 6, because minus by plus is minus. Then minus by minus is plus, so it is plus 3. Then minus by plus is minus again, minus 2 times the square root of 2. Finally, again, it's plus because of the sign rules, and it would be 2 times the square root of 3. And since we could not simplify this any further, this would be the answer.